Hi, I'm Ryan Szymanski, curator for Battleship New Jersey Museum and Memorial. Today we're on the submarine USS Cod in Cleveland, Ohio, and I've been on the road a couple of days. We've hit Rochester, New York, we hit the ships at Buffalo, and now we're in Cod, and it's time to do my laundry. Now, on Battleship New Jersey, the different divisions of the crew are assigned different days to do laundry throughout the week, and you usually, every 3 to 4 days, it's usually, you get 2 days per week for your division to do the laundry. You take it down there, and one of the supply division is in charge of the laundry. So they're running the washing machines, the drying machines, all of that. I don't know who to give my clothes to on COD, so I'm here with my counterpart, Paul Faraci, who is going to tell us how they did laundry on a submarine. I have not seen a laundry room suite like the Battleship has.
Well, you're in it. This is crew's washroom. You're standing in the two-man shower. We've got 3 wash basins for washing and shaving. And on this side, on the starboard side, we have 2 crew heads. This area, it's funny, no 2 fleet boats have the same exact layout, but it's all roughly similar, and it's always right here. The fleet boat was designed with significant distillation capabilities. Early in the war, they used Kleinschmidt distillers, which were somewhat unreliable. Later in the war, the fleet got Badger stills. Badger was a subsidiary of General Motors. Fleet boats built in private yards got top-loading wringer washing machines like this. The boats built at government yards had front-end loaders, very commercial-looking things. Like Pampanito, they have a wonderful example, and as does Drum. But Cod being electric boat, we had the top-loading wringer. And up there on the photo on the bulkhead is a sailor doing some laundry. That is from the Bullhead, which of course was the last submarine lost during World War II. But it illustrates very nicely the fact that in World War II, without a snorkel, fleet subs, of course, were on the surface 95% of the time, so they can run all 5 of their generators, producing all the electricity they need. So electrical capacity for running your stills, which are essentially electric steam kettles, it's not a problem. Now the issue is the boats that stayed in service in the Cold War got snorkels. A snorkel only allows you to run 2 of your main generator sets, so you had to cut back. And in fact, you went back to the battle days of the pig boats, where laundry was rarely done aboard. But COD, the code.
Battleship New Jersey receives operating support from the New Jersey Department of State, also from a number of other businesses and private individuals like yourselves. We really appreciate your support. Consider supporting the ongoing restoration efforts here on USS Cod to make her look like the crew just stepped out for a minute as you're touring the ship. There's a link in the description below if you'd like to donate to support their efforts. There's also a link to their social media if you'd like to learn more about Cod and what life was like on a World War II fleet boat like her. You can support Battleship New Jersey by liking, sharing, and subscribing so more people find about us and our channel. Thanks for watching.